Congratulations. My name is Rico, US Realty Training, and this is the incredible video crash course for the state of California. You're here, you made it. Again, congratulations. I'm rooting for you. You're one step away. You're one step away from getting your real estate license. All you have to do is pass that state exam. So what the hell am I doing here? Well, I'm gonna help you get there. I'm gonna help you pass that state exam. I'm gonna help you pass that state exam the very first time, but you gotta focus, all right? I want you to give me your undivided attention when we're on this video, right? It's just you and me. It's just you and me, nobody else, right? This is the advantage of this video, right? There's not a big class in front of me and you know, a lot of conversations here and questions from this student here. It's just you and me. So what I wanna do for you is I want to explain everything you need to know for that state exam, because you deserve to change your life. You deserve to go out and earn that real estate license. Changed my life. The minute I got my real estate license, changed my life. In fact, let me share that with you. I got my license back in 1995. Now I want to take you to the day that I actually took the state exam. Imagine this, 1995, a long time ago. I remember preparing for that state exam. I totally remember preparing for that state exam. I wasn't gonna let anything stop me from passing that state exam. I was gonna kick that state exam's butt. So I practiced the questions, and I studied the material. We didn't have videos back then to where we can study off of videos, but we did have some pertinent resources that I took advantage of. So I studied because I was going to go in there and I knew I was going to pass the first time. So anyways, the day of the test, I go in there and sure, I'm a little nervous, but I get there and I'm confident and I'm feeling good. Why am I feeling good? Because I know darn well I study. I walk in there, I sit down, they hand you the material, I take the exam, and I'm taking the exam and it seems rather simple for me. I'm like, damn, this seems pretty simple. Well, it's simple because I was prepared, right? So I'm going through it, and I'm done. And I look up, and the room is full of other people taking the exam, right? So I stop, and I'm like, wait a minute, I'm done, but no one's gotten up yet. That must mean, of course, I'm the first one done. Weird, isn't it? I'm like, holy smokes, I must have done something wrong. There is no way in hell I'm getting up and handing in my exam. This is too good to be true. So I said, did I do something wrong? It couldn't have been this easy. So what did I do? I said, I'm gonna wait for somebody else to get up before I get up and hand in my exam to the proctor there. And that's what I did. I waited for somebody else to get up first, and then I followed him and handed in my exam to the proctor. Piece of cake. Before you know it, they informed me that I passed the very first time. It was so simple for me, but because I focused when it came to my studying. Now this is the deal. We're now in today's time. It's now your time to shine. It's now your time to change your life. Again, one more hurdle, and that's the state exam. And all you gotta do is pass it. Allow me to share with you how to pass that state exam. I did it the very first time, and I was confident. I want you to walk into the state exam, and I want you to be confident. Got it? So let's take this ride together. Let's groove together. Let's make it happen together. But you gotta follow me. You gotta focus. You gotta focus on me, on the words that are coming out of my mouth, on the concepts. You got it? I won't let you down, so don't you let yourself down. Here we go. You ready for this? One step away. You ready? Here we go. Let's do this together. All right. Again, US Realty Training for the state of California. Right here where I live in the beautiful state of California. Where am I located? I'm located right here in the beautiful Los Angeles area. I don't care if you're in Sacramento. I don't care if you're in San Diego. I don't care if you're in, I don't know, Orange County. Doesn't matter. San Francisco. Anywhere in the state of California, welcome. Let's get this thing done. All right, first things first, some information I want you to know about the state exam. All right, number one, when you walk into the state exam, I want you to expect, because this is the way it works, 150 questions. You're gonna have 150 multiple choice questions. 150 multiple choice questions. You have 3 hours to complete these questions. 3 hours, seems like a very long time. That's fine. The test is taken at an approved testing center. They'll tell you exactly where you have to go to take the exam. It's none of this at-home testing, none of this. No. They're going to say you have to take it here, here, and here. Not just that, you have to bring 2 forms of ID to the testing center. This is all legit, man. This is all official procedure. So get ready, bring 2 forms of ID. And the most important part of this exam is this. You have to get a minimum of 70%. 70%. That's not so bad, right? Now listen, this is the deal. This isn't rocket science, right? Let's get this out of the way. This isn't rocket science if you put your mind to it. You got it? But it's also not an elementary book type of situation. It's not super easy and it's not super hard. You can do this. 70%. That's all you need to pass. With me? Good. Let's keep going. If you're preparing for the broker's exam, slightly different instructions. That's going to be 200 questions, 200 multiple choice questions, but you get more time. You get 4 hours. It's a lot of time, man. 4 hours. 4 hours. Again, the test is taken at an approved center. Again, you got to bring 2 forms of ID. And this is also a little bit more trickier. You have to get a 75% to earn that broker's license. You got it? 75%. Not a big deal. That's the way the DRE has it, what they want you to do. You can do it. That's their requirements. All right? All right, let's go. Now, FYI, just so you know, we have an app. US Realty Training has an app. You can take these exam prep things all over the place with you. If you have the app on your phone, on the bus, on the train, wherever you are, you can study on your app, anywhere you're at. We make it nice and convenient. What else do you want? You're welcome. Got it? Good. We want to make sure you're set. We want to make sure you're set. Now, with this crash course video, you also get the ebook, the crash course ebook. Now listen, this is the deal. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. But what did I tell you, 10 minutes ago? When I was preparing for my state exam back in 1995, I used every resource that was available, man. Every single resource. Hey, I'm giving you this resource. Take a look at it. You'll probably benefit from it, right? Use it. It's part of the package. Hell, I almost said it was free. It's part of the package. Use it. You got this. I, Robert Rico, Head Instructor, here at US Realty Training, advise that you use it. Take a look at it. All right? Now, again, you're not required to use it if you don't want to use it, but why not? In the workbook, it has all 7 categories that you'll be tested on by the state. Right? So it breaks it down beautifully. Clear, concise, so you know exactly what you have to study, what categories you have to study. Hey, you're going to pass this exam. I believe in you. You just got to believe in yourself. Resources. Utilize the resources. Utilize the resources. I don't want you to come in with an attitude of, well, I just want the answers to the test. It doesn't work that way, right? Together, we're going to learn the concepts. We're going to use resources. We're going to get this done the right way. Now, these are the 7 categories that you'll be tested on. Stick with me. Don't let me lose you. Focus. Focus. 7 categories. First category is going to be property ownership and land use controls and regulations. That's approximately 15% of the exam. It's a pretty big chunk. The next category is laws of agency and fiduciary duties, 17%. Another good chunk. The third is property valuation and financial analysis. That's a mouthful. That's 14%. The next one is financing. That's 9%. The 5th category is transfer of property, 8%, not so much. The 6th category, the largest category, is practice of real estate and disclosures. They really hit you on that one, but that's okay because that's my specialty. We're going to be a master at practice of real estate and disclosures. You got it? No need to worry. I got your back. And the last one is going to be contracts, 12%. There you have it, the 7 categories. Let's keep moving. Now, this is the deal. What I want you to do is this. I want you to start off by logging into your online account. You should have received a confirmation email when you registered for this. Number two, I want you to, the system will provide you access to the state exam prep system. Utilize it. Again, keyword, resources. Utilize the resource. This is a beautiful resource. It's taken us a lot of time to put this together for you to benefit. You're welcome. Again, this is a gift we're giving you.